boys and girls, so this is going to be a new concept. We're going to do some fluency first from what we've learned. And so this is 5. So remember, we're going to put the greater than, less than. So is 5 less than or greater than 8? Less than. Remember, the alligator eats the bigger number. All right, how about 15? 15 less than or greater than 18? Right, less than. Less than 18. How about 25? Is it greater than or less than 28? Very good, less than. All right, this one is kind of tricky. It says 2 10s and it's what to 2 10s and 3. So we're going to figure out the number. 2 10s and 6. So I have 2 sets of 10 and 6 ones. And then I have 2 sets of 10s and 3. Do you see how I figured that out? I rewrote it, and now we know that 26 is greater than 23. Yes, very good. All right. We're going to review a relationship between addition and subtraction. With number bonds, of course. And remember, when we do number bonds, they're just like fat families. So I'm going to write 4 and 3 like this, okay? And we're going to write an addition sentence and a subtraction sentence, right? So we're looking for that missing number. And so we have 4 minus 3 equals 1. So we used our total and had an add-in. And then we needed to find the other one. So now we know the other one is 1 because we created a sentence. 4 take away 3 is 1. And now we're going to make an addition sentence. I didn't change anything. 4 is still the biggest number, but when we add the 2 together. That's all subtraction is adding those 2 together to get the big number. Okay. Let's do one more. We'll do 6 and 2. Okay, it's right here. 6 and 2. So let's see, 6 and 2. So our first one is going to be 6 take away 2 equals, so we have 6, right? 6 take away 2, 1, 2. What are we left with? 4. So then we know that this number, 4, plus 2 equals 6. It's a fact family. So every time, but 4 is still our missing number. So 4 is the missing number in the number bond. 4. Very good. Very good. All right, so let's go back to pennies and dimes. And that's going to be our application today. Remember that a dime is worth 10 cents and a penny is worth 1 cent. So are you ready? Here we go. Sharon, which is my mom's name, has 3 dimes and 1 penny. So we need to draw Sharon. Okay. So S for Sharon. So we know she has 3 dimes and 1 penny, right? How much money does she have? 31 cents, right? 10, 20, 31 cents. Mia, I have a friend named Mia, this is kind of funny, has 1 dime and 3 pennies. So she has 1 10 cents and 3 pennies. I'm hoping you're drawing like mine. All right. So did you get this? 10, 11, 12, 13. So she has how much money? 13 cents. Whose amount of money has a greater value? So who has more money? So let's look at the tens place. What's bigger, 3 or 1? this one. So we know that who has more? Right. She has more. Whose amount of money has a greater value? Sharon has a greater value of money, right? Sharon has a greater value of money. Why do we know that? Because she has more dimes. That's why. She has more dimes. Right? Right. All right. Very good. Awesome job. All right. So our new concept today, I'm going to write two plus one. So I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to go 2 plus 1 more, and you get what? 3, right? 3. But on your board, I want you to draw. So you get 2 plus 1 is 3. So we draw 2 circles plus 1 circles equals 3 circles. Or I can do a number bond, right? Right. I can make 3 the big number and 2 and 1. These are just different ways to show it, okay? Now let's go back to our tens. Remember, this is tens and these are ones. So I want to show 2 tens plus 1 10, right? So there's only one of me. So I'm going to try to do this. So we got 1, 2, right? So we have 2 tens. So 2 tens will be 10, 20 plus 1 10. 10. Right? Or we could write it 2 tens plus 1 10, right? So let's show that. 2 tens plus 1 10. So how many tens do we have in all? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 tens. Or we could write, let's do this. 3 tens and do a number bond. 2 tens, 1 tens. We could write it like this, right? Or we could say, let's draw our sticks. 1, 2 plus 1. How many do I have up? 3. 3 quick 10 sticks, right? Or we could do this. We could say 20 plus 10 equals 30. Same thing. And then I would take this into a number bond, 20 and 10. You can always make a number bond. If you have 2 add-ins and you have a total, you can always make a number bond, okay? The number stays the same. The numbers 2 and 1 and 3 stay the same, but the units change. Right? Right. That never changes. Never. Did we change the number of magic counting? No. We still did 2 tens, 1 10, and it equaled 3 tens, right? Yes. All right. Let's do a subtraction. So we did adding. Let's do a subtraction, okay? Ready? So I'm going to write 4 tens minus 3 tens equals. So now we're taking away, okay? What part of the number bond can we find? So if we write the number bond, we have 4 tens and we have 3 tens, right? As one of the parts. So we need part plus part. We need another part, right? What addition sentence can we write to match this number bond? Remember, we can say unknown or mystery number for the part we don't know. So we can say 3 tens plus the mystery number equals 4 tens. So you have part plus part equals whole. The whole is always the big number. So what is the missing part? Right, it's 110. The missing part is 110. So we can write it 3 different ways, okay? And I'm going to show you those. We can write 4 tens minus 3 tens equals 110. So this is the first way. We draw it and we take away the 3 and we get 1. So look, I don't add to it. I take it away and I put X's. So we have 4 tens minus 3 tens equals 110. Or we can write 4 minus 3 equals 1 and draw that. And I do the same thing. You see that? Or I can say 4, 3, and 1, right? But we're doing tens, right? So this one would look like this. 4 tens, 3 tens, 1 10. So I see I did number bonds for both of those. So how much is 4 tens? 40. Right, it's 40. 40 tens minus 30 tens equals 10. Right? 40 minus 30 equals 10. Very good. So then you would write it like this. 40 minus 30 equals 10. And here's your number bond. Doesn't change. So we'd say 40 minus 30, or 30 plus 10 equals 40. These are your add-ins. These are the things you add together. This is your answer. Yes, so it's a number set. I'm going to give you some to do. Okay. And let's see if you can do the missing number, the mystery number. So we got 4 tens minus 2 tens equals, how many tens? 40 minus 30 equals 30 minus 20 equals 20 plus 20 equals 20 minus something equals 0. And blank plus blank equals 30. See, the last one's kind of easy. You get to fill in your missing number. It's kind of easy. Okay, you guys ready? So remember, 4 tens minus 2 tens. So this one you're looking for the other part. You have the whole, part plus part. 40 minus 30. So you're looking for a part. You're looking for a part on this one. You're not looking for the part. You're looking for the whole. When it's addition, you're looking for the whole. Part. What 2 numbers can you add together to get the whole? Okay? Any 2 numbers that equal 30. So, that's easy. You can take a picture of it and send it to me. Looks fun, doesn't it? So that is our new concept today, is just adding the tens. You guys are doing a great job, and I'm super proud of you. So I will see you later. Bye. Have a good day.